This fully renovated duplex just hit the market here in the Lakewood neighborhood of Dallas, Texas.
Lakewood is one of my favorite neighborhoods here in Dallas because you're just 15 minutes to downtown Dallas, and within 10 minutes you've got access to multiple major shopping centers including Target or Home Depot, healthy grocery options like Whole Foods or Sprouts Farmers Market, so many great dining options from the historic local favorite Keller's Diner to the amazing Hudson House, plenty of coffee options, and literally right behind your home you can hop on all the trails and jog or ride your bike all the way around White Rock Lake.
Let's check it out.
Immediately you can see this home has been beautifully renovated and none of the living spaces feel small. At 1,349 square feet, this is actually pretty big for a 2-bed, 2-bath home. You've got a gas cooktop and quartz countertops. The primary suite has access to the spacious backyard, and just look at this incredible primary bathroom. This is definitely much larger and nicer than you'll find in most homes of this size, and look at that spacious walk-in closet. You've got the stackable washer and dryer in the hallway, the second full bath with original mid-century tile, and a spacious guest bedroom. Both units have been operated as a full-time Airbnb for 4 years and brought in $65,000 of rental income last year. The second unit is equally beautiful and spacious, and I should mention all the furniture you see here is negotiable if you'd like to keep operating it as an Airbnb. This side is only 602 square feet, but you can hardly tell because the space is used so well. It has the one beautifully updated bathroom and 2 very spacious bedrooms. To schedule a tour, or if you'd like me to help you find your dream home, or if you'd like your home professionally marketed like this one, call me today. Because here at Bear Coast Real Estate, we believe every home deserves world-class marketing regardless of the price point.